queens, to see how I achieve this beautiful soft lock style, just stay tuned for more tutorials, and to be notified whenever I upload, make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Let's get right into it. So you see here, I'm starting with shampoo, treatment, and trim. That's how we do it at the Diamond Venom Braiding Studio. Healthy hair first, then finesse the crown. So we're just going through the process of cleansing the hair, detangling, then we'll be blow drying, and we're using products from type4hairstore.com. In my experience, I found that incorporating healthy hair care prior to this style satisfies my clients. They're happy that they don't have to do anything to their hair. And then with us using these all-natural products that promote growth and health of the hair, they experience a healthier head of hair from day one. Also, their style lasts a lot longer because we started with a fresh, clean scalp with no dandruff and no product buildup. The trim is also helpful. It just helps them achieve their healthy hair goals. You see, her hair looks so much more luscious and healthy. My preference is to start my locks with the natural parting. You see me applying a cream. That is so the hair can be moisturized while it's tucked away. Definitely want to do that first because you don't want brittle hair when it's time to take the locks down. So just bristing all throughout the hair. That just means starting with a braid and twisting down the rest of the way. This is my foundation for the lock style. You see, I use a traditional method to do my lock. My difference is the way that I seal. I actually use a needle and thread and go back and forth within the lock to secure it, as opposed to burning it or using super glue. It lasts a lot longer, it looks better, and it doesn't damage their clothes or the lock. The last one. The last melon. How do you feel?
I feel good. I'm excited.
Yay. How was your experience?
It was really good. Like, I was educated on hair care. I was given so many products.
Yay.
I was used so many products during the washing process, the treatment process, trimming, and now protective styling, and conversation was great.
Yay.
Everything was just superb. Like,
Hold on, let's
I
get
recommend.
that face. Let's get that. Thank you. Thank you. Let's say hi. But thank you. I definitely appreciate it.
Of course.
This wasn't scripted at all.
No, it wasn't at all. I've literally never been to someone who's been so adamant on healthy hair and protective styling.
Thank you.
Of course.
I feel the love. Okay, so here I'm expressing my excitement for Bobbi Boss making Extendo locks themselves. They have 36-inch locks now, so you don't have to do the process of doing it yourself. I did enjoy it, but it was a bit time consuming, so it's totally awesome to be able to just go buy it from the store. It saves so much time. We actually use those for this style. Alright guys, so this product here that I'm picking up is the truth. These drops literally work. I did a twist out in my hair and within like a week, that's just over stretching it, I saw new sprouts of hair coming out of my head. So I'm telling you, if you use this in conjunction with your protective style, you will hit your hair goals. Again, it's available on type4hairstore.com. We use all Hairrobics products. I don't know what Miss Stephanie Southers is doing in her lab, but whatever she's doing, she's got the formula right. And we have pretty much all of the products that you need to maintain a protective style in our store. So definitely come shop with us, check out what we have, and make your next protective style your best one. In my opinion, the best way to slay the edges is to start with a fresh shampoo. The hair's more malleable and like willing to go where you want it. But I use edge control, and then once I've laid my edges the way I want them, I go over them with Nairobi mousse, and then I put the DVA styling band on it just to kind of hold it in place and set it. Now mind you, as I'm installing the braids, like at the beginning, I do make sure that I mold it the way that I want it so that I can get the results. So it's something that I'm working on throughout the process, from shampoo to finish. All of those go into play to make those edges lay. So this step is optional, but it's something I've definitely been doing more of lately. I found that my clients really like me putting their hair into a style for them. I used to just do a side part and let it be, but I'm really starting to fall in love with customizing the locks and customizing the hairstyle, whichever I do, just to make it fit their face and their personality. You show them the goodie bag?
Yes, okay. So I got a little goodie bag. Hope y'all can see it. So in here comes a detangling brush. You know those brushes that like separate?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It comes with a hair care book. If you're wondering if you want to like cut your hair and healthcare tips. And lashes. These are popping, okay? Honey. Lashes. And some spray to put on your scalp when you are like want to wash it and detangle your hair and stuff.
Yes, ma'am.
Use. Or if you get like, I know like for me, I get real bad reactions to the hair. So this has apple cider vinegar in it that will keep you from like scratching your head.
Look at you listening.
Yes, ma'am. And then here's some hair and scalp booster that you can put on your scalp and your hair. Right
Look
here.
at that plait in the back of your head. It's cute. You can't see it yet though.
Right. I officially am a Rasta.
How, tell them about your clothes. Cause you
Oh yeah, and this edge I almost forgot about this. And this edge scarf.
But your outfit, talk about this.
Okay.
She has a shop, y'all.
Y'all, I own a boutique. I am a business woman, and this is one of the outfits that I have on there. This also comes in pink in the size medium. I also have sweatsuits for men and women, so I sell clothes not only for women but for men too. So I'm restocking soon, and y'all stay.
What's the name of it?
The name
of the
website
website
is right. How they gonna know that? So the website is the Locs brand. So THELUXT brand boutique.com. And that's my brand. It's called the Locs brand LLC.
Okay,
So,
LLC in the building.
Yes, ma'am.
Official tissue.
I never heard of that.
Alright, Queens, thanks again for watching. If you watched all the way to the end, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.